I'm about to get upstairs so I can find the lightning. I'm actually risking my iPad here for rain. So, if you guys can subscribe and please hit a like. What are you doing?
My butt is wet.
Yeah, because you keep falling on it. You see how wet it is out there?
My cousin has the same thing.
I hear it, but I don't see any lightning.
I hear it too.
I got a cut on my finger. You guys can see it. It hurts. I'm about to rip my own finger off.
I'm about to go catch some hot air.
Hot what?
Hot air.
Hot what?
Air. Or hot trees.
I'm afraid of height. I'm actually sliding on this very slow. No, just in case there's a big boom, I'm hanging on here. Actually, no, I'm not. Oh God, I scared myself. I think it mainly happened over here. Over there, maybe. I just saw like a sideways lightning over there. Whoa! I think I caught it. It's this way. Look at those dumb birds flying. Oh, they're the highest. I would fly low if there's lightning. Holy crap, man. Look like you're sweating. It look like you're sweating. Redneck. Oh yeah, what you did to me at McDonald's? One hit in the arm.
Ow!
Alright. I don't like being slapped at McDonald's. Stay back, I'll punch you. Oh! I think I caught it.
Caught what?
It went behind the tree, I think. That was lightning. Lightning happens so fast. Where you going with my lipstick? Hey, don't be playing. I will hurt you, dude. If you drop it, I'll put you so high up in the air. Lightning wants to strike you. But naked what? Did you say you was shaking neck? Oh. I think I got that. That was nice. I'm always an outside type person, you know. I'm keeping it that way, see if you see any lightning. How is that so? I think light is faster. Better not be messing with my feet. Alright, please subscribe and like my YouTube video.
Ow!
I didn't even touch you, you just jumped down. Wow. Hey look, there's a birdie. Distract me. Hey, remember that frog you stepped on? I was messing with him and he stepped on a frog. You're so mean. Shut up, dude. We don't live here. Trying to get us kicked out already. Stop with all that noise. your butthole.
I'm about to go ride. A butt print is right there.
Yeah, if you guys want to know how big his butt is, it's right there. I only got 5 minutes left and I still haven't caught a lightning.
Jump on it, jump on it, jump on it.
He's annoying. I wish I was never around him. I'm actually gonna catch lightning. I don't know. If you guys would like to tell me how to edit my videos and all that, then I'll be so happy to edit my videos. He's retarded. Look, I'm just sitting there. Look, he can't even get on the wrist. Look how his arms are moving when he tries to ride it. Super gay. That's gay. He was humping a pillow. He was humping a pillow. Are you gonna get back up here? Somebody's gonna freaking watch? Whoa, what was that? What was it too? My finger hurt. I don't know if you guys saw that, but please let me know, or I can, like, overview. I'm over here looking for a lightning. At least I'm gonna catch one good one on YouTube. You better stop messing with my feet under there.
I'm right here, you dummy.
That's what everybody says. Alright. Look how you ride, dude. It's so annoying. Yeah, I like everybody. No. I'm getting retarded by hitting everything. Hey, fall! Fall. That's not falling. If you guys can see some lightning in the very background that I can't see, then please let me know, okay? It won't hurt. It won't hurt just to tell me. Why is it so fast? I wish lightning was in slow-mo. No, that would be awesome. Thunder happens and then lightning. That would be better.
You want to go back this? How
If
many
you guys
minutes we got?
wait.
Oh!
Oh!
Did you just
Oh.
say that?
2 of them.
How many minutes we got left?
Alright, guys.
We got
I don't know if it's been 2 weeks or so, but I still got that weird haircut.
Can I be your
Please like and subscribe about the lightnings. Alright?
Be crazy.
Lightnings are all shapes and different sizes and all that, so if you like it, please let me know. Alright? I say peace, and I hope you guys had a great 4th of July. And my birthday's coming up on the 18th, so I'm just trying to get at least a lot of subscribes and all that for my birthday. And if you guys like a little rain above you, then feel it. Oh yeah, feel the rain. Feel the rain. Bye.